Hey, greetings there, gold seekers. This is Tim for Blue Lead Gold Productions. You guessed it, I'm back on the Yuba, but I'm nowhere near the water right now. I am in the middle of the ancient Yuba, and what I'm standing in is the middle of a hydraulic pit out here, kind of in the middle of nowhere. And today I am out here with Mr. Kerry O. He's down there swinging his SDC. He's chasing some kind of a target that sounded loud and proud. I am trying to figure out, you know, where the best place to dig out here is. Trying to remember all the tips that Gary has told us about where to dig in hydraulic pits and where not to. But I also remember the advice of my good friend Jeff Smith, who says, roll boulders, roll boulders. So if you notice, there's a lot of boulders out here that you can roll. And that's exactly what I did. I started rolling boulders. And let me tell you, as much as I love metal detecting, sometimes I think that God just does not want me to find gold with a metal detector, because, oh, it's been probably, before today, it's been probably about 387 square nails. And that is no exaggeration that I have detected since the last time I saw a piece of gold in my scoop. I had detected a nice little picker out by the American River with JC earlier this year, but it's just been a lot of getting skunked for me since then in the metal detecting department. So that is exactly why today is a cause for celebration, because take a look over here, gold seekers. Well, gold seekers, I don't know if anyone else has ever encountered this. I was going to bring you over here and let you hear the sound of a nice little piece of gold on the detector, but I don't know if my detector is causing interference. Kerry O says that's probably the detector causing interference.
Oh, it's the camera.
In any event, gold seekers, take a look what we got here. I rolled a boulder off of this bedrock area, detected a nice little weak signal, started chasing it down, and look what we've got here. That is a beautiful little chunky little piece of gold. And I couldn't be happier with it, because like I said, it's been a long time since I've seen one. So we're going to let it... Did you hear that? Oh, that made a nice little click. You can even hear that over the sound of the detector noise. And I'm going to get back to doing some detecting. Hope Kerry and I can find some more gold today. But truth be told, I'm pretty stoked about that little piece right now. And where I am, you can see that there's large boulders sitting right down on the bedrock, and this over here, you wouldn't want to fall in or come wandering around here at night, because that's a pretty steep 25-foot drop in some places. So I'm saving the second half of my roast beef and ham and lettuce sandwich here. Got some Gatorade that I had with my lunch too. I'm gonna have some peanut M&Ms for dessert, and I'm going to get back to doing some detecting. Gee willikers there, gold seekers. It is just a gorgeous day out here today in the hydraulic pit. It's probably about maybe 70 degrees right now. I have changed into my shorts, and anytime I can come out to the Sierras and just enjoy a beautiful day like this in shorts and a t-shirt, I am a happy camper. And I found some gold today already too, so I got a signal over there. I'm going to go chase it down. Okay, so we've got a signal right here. Okay, so the signal was originally right down there. And as you can see, it's not there anymore, or here. But it's moved up top here now, and it don't sound half bad. So let's get it in the scoop and see what it is. In the scoop. It's in the hand. Still in the hand. It's in the scoop. Screaming in the scoop. Screaming away. Ooh. Well, it's not gold. It's a little piece of scrap metal. But sounds good on the SDC. So by raking and cleaning up that area, we've got three signals that we have three signals we've marked now under that round quartz rock over there, one right there, and then the other one I think is going to be down over in here. I think we got a signal down in there. So let's dig them up and see if there's anything decent. Well, heavens to Betsy, gold seekers, just look at this nasty mineralized piece of quartz. I mean, that is some serious mineralization there. Sort of wonder if there might be some gold there. Well, now this area here might have some promise. Got some big, rounded, river-worn boulders here, all shiny and stuff. And that's bedrock, right? There's bedrock right down there. Plenty of bedrock. I'll try to see if I can clear some areas that have boulders to shallow bedrock, and then we'll detect them, see if we get any signal. Alright, so right here where I'm standing in the midst of these large boulders with some bedrock exposed there, I'm sure this has been detected, but what we're going to try to do is peel back some of these rocks here, and some of these rocks from over here, and some of these rocks from over here, to try to expose some areas on that bedrock right down there that have not yet been detected, or that have had signal blocking rocks in the way. Okay, so that target there was down in here, and this is actually decomposing bedrock right here. So that target was in the bedrock, and take a look at what it was. Well, now we're detecting the GoPro, but it is in fact a beautiful, shiny little picture piece of gold. Look at that. Couldn't be happier. So that's piece number 2 for the day. I'm going to keep detecting. I kind of like this area by the boulders, and I'm going to stop detecting the GoPro. Okay, so do I keep tossing some more boulders off the bedrock there, or do I dig that screaming square nail target over here? I think Bedrock Bennett and Todd would tell me, dig all targets, never quit, never surrender. Stephen, I am nowhere near your property, so what's going to happen next here is like second nature to me. I'm going to fuck up that bedrock. Well, gold seekers, when it rains, it pours. And some days, luck just is favoring you. This was a good place to dig, and I'm going to keep digging here some more, because take a look at what we've got in the scoop. That is a beautiful little picker piece number 3. This one's kind of thin compared to the first one, but that's a nice size piece, and just listen to the way it sounds on the SDC. Sounds like a damn square nail. That's why I'm going to go dig that one up over there too. Oh, and hey, Kirk, check it out. I've got the 2023 North Yuba Nugget Hunt decal on the back of my gold pan there. Those were really great, and wow, what a great time it was up at the Nugget Hunt. Everybody, last week of July of next year, last weekend in July, the last Saturday, that is at least tentatively at this point going to be the next 2024 new North Yuba Nugget Hunt. Put that on your calendars in pencil now, and stay tuned to the channel for more updates. All right, so we got another offering ready here to go. Salute to all my LBPA brothers. And then I got that loud trash target probably down there to dig out. And then I'm going to rake some of this stuff and see if You know, I think I can get down to bedrock here pretty much. See if there's any other smaller signals. Amazing the tiny little stuff that the SDC will pick up. So I've also picked up this little specimen for my crystal garden at home. If you take a look right there, that is a terminated quartz crystal that's just completely crystal clear. There's a couple other clear ones in here and other little tiny crystals. There's some nice ones down in there throughout this piece. Vuggy quartz, that's the key. Okay, gold seekers, well, Kerry hadn't found gold yet today, so I told him come over here and dig where, you know, I had found those other little pieces of gold. And so he has, as you can see, been a busy bee. He has cleared some boulders off. He's kind of down close to bedrock over here. And listen to this. Right in there, in the bedrock. I think there's some kind of metal down there. I'm hoping it's gold. Okay, Kerry O is still chasing after that signal down there. And he's getting, you know, he's scraping dirt off the bedrock. No, not hearing it. Let's check and see if it's still in the hole there. Well, gold seekers, Bedrock Bennett and Topcat would be telling Kerry O, never quit, never surrender, keep going for that end of day gold. And take a look here. Kerry O has a beautiful little piece of, that's a chunky little kicker there, dude. Run that one over your loop. Oh, that's the sound we were waiting for. So, all right. Well,
beats all these. Like,
yeah. Well, Kerry's been cleaning up the pit. Take a look. He's got a lot of valuable historical artifacts there, a whole collection.
I got a whole Gatorade bottle.
Yeah.
Full,
All right. Is that your first piece of detected gold with the SDC?
I think it is.
All right. Very nice. Congratulations, Kerry. Hey, how do we end the Blue Lead Gold Productions video?
I think it goes
Aloha!